What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to talk about a new massage gun from my boys Bob and Brad. You know I'm a huge fan of Bob and Brad massage guns specifically, and they just dropped a new massage gun. This is the Bob and Brad EM-19. So let's check it out. Bob and Brad are the most famous physical therapists on the internet. And I'm just a fan of those guys, always have been. And I've been very fortunate over the last few years to be able to test their products. But in testing them, I've come to love the products that they put out. Now on to this new massage gun. So this is the Bob and Brad EM-19. Now this massage gun is not like their other massage guns. With their previous massage guns were all available on Amazon. This massage gun is specifically available in Walmart. I thought that was kind of unique when they contacted me to let me know that they were going to be selling this massage gun at Walmart. I mean, kudos to Bob and Brad. They're in Walmart now. That's great. Here is the Bob and Brad EM-19. So it's shaped a little different. It's still small. That's what they're kind of known for. All their massage guns are pretty small. You turn it on and you've got this digital display here. It's very, very bright, very easy to read. You've got your power button here, plus and minus. On the right side, if you're looking at it, is your battery life, and on the left side is your intensity or speed. So let's talk about those two things. The EM-19 takes about 2 hours to charge, and it says the battery lasts about 5 hours. I've been using it for a few hours, and it says it's about 80%, so the 5 hours, they might be hitting that right on the head, so good battery life. Now the speeds on the EM-19 go up to 20, so there's 20 speed settings. If you watch my product review videos or you watch product reviews I've done on massage guns, I'm not a fan of 20 speeds. I don't like these incremental speed adjustments. You're still getting to the same RPM, but you're using these tiny incremental speed increases. And when I use something that has 20 speeds, I'm generally having to jump 4 speeds at a time, sometimes 5. So I prefer 3 to 5 speeds. That's just me. I'm just not a fan of 20 speeds. I like the 5 speeds, which all the previous Bob and Brad massage guns were set at 5 speed settings. So now that we talked about that, let's talk about the RPM, or repetitions per minute. Now this massage gun goes from 1200 to 2600 RPM. Now given the state of massage guns and all the massage guns I've tried, and even the previous Bob and Brad massage guns, the standard tends to be 3200 RPM. With that said, a recent review I did on the OPOV Apex, which I felt was better than their previous massage guns they had released, actually was 2600 RPM, and I was shocked by that because it did work more effectively than some of the 3200 RPMs. I do find that a little odd that this RPM is lower than their previous massage guns, but it's still effective. Now the stroke depth is 10 millimeters, which is really good. Okay, so that's a good quality stroke depth. The build quality is there. It's sturdy, but it's soft. I love that all their massage guns have this nice silicone ergonomic grip. The attachments, you've got 6 attachments, and as far as Bob and Brad massage guns go, I'm a huge fan of their attachments. The original Bob and Brad massage gun, and then the upgraded version of that massage gun, which I still use today, is the T2. This is my favorite attachment right here, this one. So this accordion style, this thing is money. This is one of my favorites. It's one of the reasons why when I was comparing the initial Bob and Brad, I think the C2, to other massage guns, is I loved it was because of this specific attachment. Then you've got your X6. Now the X6 is my favorite Bob and Brad massage gun. Out of all of them, even this EM-19, this is my favorite, okay? The build quality is there, the ergonomics are there, I love this extended handle, but the attachment is a stainless steel attachment, and I don't put any other attachment on this massage gun. But this attachment was what pushed this over the top for me, and it's my favorite massage gun and my favorite massage gun attachment. Now on the EM-19, there's a new attachment I've never seen before, and it's this attachment. It's kind of got like, I guess you could say teeth. So these flat type of attachments is nothing new, but this one's curved and it's got these teeth. And I can't believe how much of a difference just those little changes make. But this is my favorite attachment that comes on an EM-19. So they're just constantly coming up with these new great attachments. Massage guns come with your cookie cutter standard 6 attachments. But every Bob and Brad massage gun I've gotten comes with like one little new attachment or something a little different about the attachments. But this is the awesome attachment that comes with this particular Bob and Brad massage gun. Now it's very quiet. It's 55 decibels. I didn't see a listed stall force, but the stall force is just as good as any other Bob and Brad massage gun. It doesn't quit. It's very strong. Now, as far as the way this one is built, it's a little different. I thought it was a little weird that the screen, which they haven't had digital displays before, this is new. This is the T2 and this is the X6. And look, there's no digital display. And I always thought that, I always like that. There's no need for it, and it saves weight and it saves space. So they never did that before, but they did on this one. And instead of putting on the back like almost all massage guns, it's on the side. Now, as I'm using this massage gun, I'm watching TV and I'm using it is a bit of a distraction. Like right now, as I'm holding it right here, this light is very bright and it's distracting. So I wasn't a fan of it at first, but I do believe now, because I was trying to understand, I was trying to look and find out what was their logic in putting it on the side instead of the back. But now after using it for several days, I realized it's probably to balance it, because this massage gun feels very, very balanced. It's, again, the handle's extended. It's easy to get into all these different places, so it's very well built in that aspect, and that I have to assume that that is why it's built over here on the side, is to keep it properly balanced and it doesn't feel heavy. Because, look, there are times you have massage guns and they look cool and they feel sturdy, but then after using them for a few minutes, your wrist starts to get tired. That again goes to the weight of this massage gun. Okay, I don't know the exact weight, but Bob and Brad massage guns, now that I'm holding them all in my hand, it's heavier than the T2, which is basically considered a mini massage gun, but much lighter than the X6, which I consider to be like, a serious workhorse, like a heavy duty massage gun. So of course this would be your more economic option. I say that to bring me into the price of the massage gun. So the X6 is available on Amazon. It runs around $180. I think there's sales that you can get it for like $150. The C2 or the T2 and all the original Bob and Brad mini massage guns, these are running for about $99 right now. I think the sale I saw on Amazon was $99, but they generally cost $120. The EM-19 comes in at exactly $120 when I just checked on Walmart's website. So these are only available at Walmart. I did not see it on Amazon, so it's only available at Walmart, and it's $120. So it's right in that range of all their massage guns. So in the end, it's not like they reinvented the wheel with this massage gun, but they did build a quality product like they always do. So I'm very excited for them getting their product into Walmart. I think it's a good purchase. I think it's a fair price for what you're getting. Now I'm going to answer this final question because I get this all the time. Which one should I get? Should I get the T2? Should I get the X6? The X6 is this much and then blah, blah, blah. Okay, listen. The T2 serves its purpose. It's a very functional massage gun. I keep it here at my gym and I use it all the time here. The X6 is the Cadillac of Bob and Brad massage guns. This is by far my favorite. It's heavy duty. It's got my favorite attachment. This one stays in my bedroom. This one is at home when I get home and I've had a long day working and training and my body's sore, and I use this as I'm relaxing for the evening. This stays next to my bed. This is the expensive, high-quality massage gun from Bob and Brad. The EM-19 is right in the middle, okay? It's not like the Mini, but it's built a little better, and right now it costs a little more, but it's not as high quality and heavy duty as the X6, so it is right in the middle. If you're looking to save a little money and not buy the X6, I'm going to say the EM-19 is a good option. So if you're at Walmart and you pass by, just snatch it up. Now to make this simple, if you don't shop online, then you go get this one at Walmart. All around, I will say it, you can't go wrong with a Bob and Brad massage gun. The original Bob and Brad massage gun I have now had for 3 years. That thing still works very well. It's downstairs in my living room, sits behind my couch. I pull it out, I use it on a regular basis. So that's my 2 cents, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.